Business needs guides the requirements elicitation in terms of the scope and purpose of elicitation activities. Elicitation can be used to discover the business needs, but in order to get started, there must be some business need that exists, even if it has not yet been fully elicited or understood. In this session, you will learn about importance of understanding the underlying business needs for initiating business analyst work, including requirements elicitation. By the end of this session, you'd be ready to learn about eliciting requirements. You might have heard the saying, only change is constant. This applies to business as well. Organization business environment keeps changing with respect to customers, marketplace, technology, and marketing function. Let's try to understand this with respect to customers. Day by day, customers are getting more and more value conscious, and their expectations are rising. Customers have lower tolerance levels than before and are not willing to wait, and hence there is overall decline in the consumer satisfaction level. Customers now have availability of information at their fingertips. Customers are more knowledgeable in making their purchase decisions and are instantly able to make comparisons across various providers. There is also growing diversity in customers' profile as people move from one city to other for jobs, business, etc. Growing diversity is also due to aging of population due to better healthcare. Business environment is also changing with respect to marketplace. There is intense competition between firms for acquiring and retaining customers. To achieve this, companies are focusing on value-based offerings. Companies are providing personalized services and are offering incentives to woo customers. Business environment is also changing with respect to technology. From last few decades, we all have witnessed ever-improving technology and solutions. The focus areas have shifted from traditional customer database to gaining competitive advantage by using solutions such as business intelligence, analytics and predictive analytics, big data, etc. to get insights into customer behavior. Business environment is also changing with respect to marketing function. Gone are the days when companies used to do interruption-based marketing by sending unsolicited emails, making calls, and providing offers. Companies have moved from traditional interruption-based marketing to permission-based marketing. In permission-based marketing, companies offer incentives to customer to receive marketing communication, and customer chooses to opt in to receive such communication. Customer has option to easily opt out if not satisfied. Over a period of time, marketing channels have evolved from advertisements in newspapers, magazines, and TV to browser and app-based advertisements on PCs and mobiles. Companies are striving for sustainable competitive advantage by moving towards one-on-one communication. To be effective as a business analyst, we need to understand changing business environment and its impact on business. It is these changes in business environment that leads to identification of business needs in terms of problem or opportunity faced by the organization. Defining the business need is frequently the most critical step in any business analyst effort. The way the business need is defined determines which stakeholders will be considered to elicit requirements. Business needs can be due to internal drivers such as strategic goal set by the organization, a problem with current state in terms of process, function, or system, or a need for additional functionality or information by the stakeholders. Business needs can be due to external drivers such as customers' demand for new product or services or launch of new product or services by competitors. Business needs can also be due to identification of new business opportunity or to fulfill regulatory requirements. The problem or opportunity faced by the organization often launches business analyst work to better understand these needs. It is imperative to understand these needs in order to elicit appropriate requirements. Changing business needs compels business to acquire capabilities in terms of people, process, and technology that are required to carry out business and stay competitive. So, we as a business analyst are expected to understand the business need due to ongoing changes in business environment and elicit appropriate requirements to develop a new solution or enhance or replace an existing solution to meet changing business needs. To recap, organizations' business environment keeps changing with respect to customers, marketplace, technology, and marketing function. Such changes in business environment leads to identification of business needs in terms of problem or opportunity faced by the organization. The problem or opportunity faced by the organization often launches business as work to better understand these needs. It is imperative to understand these needs in order to elicit appropriate requirements. Business need guides the requirements elicitation in terms of the scope and purpose of elicitation activities. In this session, you have learnt about importance of understanding the underlying business needs for initiating business analyst work, including requirements elicitation. In the next session, we will learn about eliciting requirements. To explore further, you are welcome to take free sessions and enroll to the course.